Hello YouTube. What I have here is a Hosim X07 1 to 10 scale. It's really looks like a 1 to 12 scale. It's not that big. And you have all of this mud and dirt and it's very wet. And in this video here, I'm just gonna be playing with this in the mud, but start with the process of cleaning it up after the big mess. So the internal components actually didn't get much mud in it, but I choose to wash it with a hose. So I'm throwing water everywhere. I disconnect the battery for sure, but then I'm just running water through every single part of the car here, electronics and everything. So it's supposed to be waterproofed. The ESC doesn't really look like it is waterproof, but I went out and I hosed everything down. That was my first run within the mud. Like you see, water everywhere. Got some mud underneath the body as well. And just so you know, after I did that, I went out and I let it dry. Give it a good shake so all the water was coming out from everywhere, and let it sit for about a day so it could properly dry. And it's working as new. I mean, there is no issues at all. Nothing was damaged through the process. So I hope that you enjoyed this video here. It's just proving the point that this vehicle can handle water, at least for cleaning purpose. So after this cleaning cycle here, you see a couple of clips of the vehicle running. Not the best shot ever. My son was driving it, but yeah, hope you enjoy. Consider subscribing, leave your like or dislike, leave your questions or comments about this vehicle, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much. Bye.
Bom, agora
Vai. Vira e volta reto aí pela terra.